You hear them everywhere, from blockbuster movies to the latest tech news. AI, AGI, ASI, ANI, they sound complex and a little intimidating. But what do they actually mean? Let's break it down and clear up the confusion. Understanding these terms is the first step to grasping the technological revolution happening right now. First up, let's tackle the big one, AI, or artificial intelligence. Think of AI as the vast overarching field of computer science dedicated to creating smart machines. It's the broad umbrella term for any system performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This isn't just about calculations. We're talking about complex abilities like learning from data, recognizing patterns, understanding language, and making decisions. The goal is to simulate our cognitive functions, from the voice assistant on your phone to the algorithms that power your social media feed and recommend your next binge-worthy show. AI is already deeply woven into our daily lives. Now, let's get specific with ANI, or artificial narrow intelligence, also known as every AI application you interact with is a form of ANI. These systems are designed and trained for one specific task. They are masters of their domain. An AI that can beat the world champion at chess is a perfect example. It's brilliant at chess, but it can't play checkers or understand the nuances of a conversation. Other examples include facial recognition software and language translation apps. They are incredibly powerful and efficient within their narrow lane. But step outside that lane, they're completely lost. They don't possess self-awareness or the broad cognitive abilities of a human. ANI is a specialist, not a generalist, but its impact is already transforming industries. Next, we venture into the future with AGI, artificial general intelligence. Unlike the specialized ANI we have today, AGI represents a monumental leap into true versatility. This is the stuff of sci-fi dreams, an AI that genuinely understands context and abstract concepts. An AGI could learn any intellectual task a human can, drawing on vast cross-disciplinary knowledge to reason, strategize, and innovate. Imagine a single AI entity acting as a universal collaborator. In the morning, it could analyze global climate data and design a revolutionary carbon capture system. After lunch, it could draft legislation for its implementation. And in the evening, it could compose a powerful score for a documentary about the project. While we're not there yet, achieving this flexible, human-like intelligence is the holy grail for many researchers. Finally, we reach the theoretical peak, ASI, or artificial superintelligence. If AGI is like a human brain, ASI is something far beyond our comprehension. This is where things get truly mind-bending. An ASI would be vastly smarter than the most brilliant human in every field, from scientific creativity to emotional intelligence. Its intelligence wouldn't be static. An ASI could recursively self-improve, its cognitive abilities growing at an exponential rate. It could potentially solve humanity's most intractable problems, curing all diseases, reversing climate change, unlocking the secrets of the universe. But this immense power brings profound existential questions. This is the alignment problem. How do we ensure a superintelligent entity's goals remain aligned with ours? How do we control something unimaginably more intelligent than we are? The arrival of ASI could be the greatest turning point in history, a future of utopian promise or unprecedented risk. So let's do a quick recap. AI is the overarching field, the big umbrella covering any machine that mimics intelligent behavior. ANI, or narrow AI, is what we have now. Powerful specialists, like your GPS or a chess-playing computer, but they are limited to their specific programming. AGI, or general AI, is the future goal. A single AI with the flexible, adaptable intelligence of a human, capable of learning and reasoning across countless different domains. And ASI, or super intellect that would dwarf our own, holding the potential to reshape our world in ways that are both exciting and a little scary.